How's it going, YouTube? You're watching Tried and True. I'm Scott DeBerry.
And I'm Justin Spears.
And today we're all about ventilation. Now, before we get too much further, make sure that you like and subscribe. And all of the details that we're going to discuss with you can be found in the comments below. All the awesome linkage, as it were. Justin.
Yes, sir.
What's going on with ventilation? On the topic of metal roofing.
Ventilation, a very important topic for your metal roof, for energy efficiency and to make your roof last.
Energy efficiency. Now, energy efficiency is a phrase that goes hand in hand with metal roofing. And it's true in ventilation apparently as well. Now, Justin, is there a distinction in ventilation topics between exposed fastener or standing seam?
Yes, we have multiple products for both exposed fastener types and standing seam type products.
Very good. So if we were to start at the basics, where will we start with ventilation and let's say exposed fastener?
Your basic ventilation is going to be a flexo vent, which is just a piece of venting material, a 20-foot roll it out along your ridge, put your ridge cap on.
So flexo vent, not very sexy name, but practical and utilitarian. All right, flexo vent. So what's the step up from flexo vent then?
Flex Pro.
Pro, he says.
Now what we've done is we've die cut the ridge, the profile of your panel in there. So when you roll that out on the ridge, it's perfectly straight, has adhesive on it, so it's a nice straight clean line while you're putting it down.
We got some quick show and tell with the ventilation real quick, right? So we got flexo vent.
So this is the product that we talked about that's fairly universal. It's a one size cut. It's 1.5 inch by 3 inch, 20-foot roll. So it's just got an adhesive on it. You're just gonna roll it out across the ridge and put your cap down on it.
Very cool, man.
So then there's an upgrade product to this.
So they're both by the same vendor. Okay.
So this is the Flex Pro, which now this one has the panel profile cut out in it, which helps it adhere better. It fits more uniformly across the rib. Again, still a 20-foot roll, so you still get the same amount of coverage with either product.
It's like Christmas. Okay.
So you have your panel profile cut in it.
Got your adhesive
on there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Very cool. So Flex Pro is in the name, so you know that it's something you want to, explore perhaps. It has the adhesive right on it. You roll it out, it's straight. It's awesome. That's fantastic.
Best way to move air, seal your ridge vents so that you keep critters and bugs and leaves from blowing into your attic.
Interesting fact, Justin, I was on a call yesterday with some folks in South Florida, and I was educated that iguanas are a big issue with tile roofs.
Large problem.
You're not going to have an iguana problem with Flex Pro and your metal roof, I guarantee you that.
It'll be sealed off.
It'll be sealed off. This is a no iguana zone in Tri-County Metals. Hey, you've been watching Tried and True. I'm Scott.
I'm Justin.
And we're with Tri-County Metals.
Make your next roof your last.
Make sure you subscribe, and all the information you need from today's show and links can be found in the details below.